autopilot! You almost destroyed the whole city!
Stay inside the house. And remember, do not open the front door for anyone.
Yes, sir! We promise we will be very good. Yeah! We are the masters of the house! This is so much fun! Ouch! What was that scary noise? Someone is outside! Stay hidden, Lily. I have my magic sword. I will go investigate the front door.
Peekaboo, little heroes! I have a big box full of magical, free candies just for you.
Wow! So many magical free candies! I really want to taste the blue one. Henry, no! Stop it right now! Bad guys use free stuff to trick us.
Too late, little boy. The Candyman is coming inside to get you.
Leave my brother alone, you big meanie! Run, Lily! We need to hide in the kitchen right now.
Ouch! My back! Wait for me, little kids.
Hurry up, Henry! He is acting very strange.
Where did you go? I just want to share my yummy chocolate.
Shh. We must be very quiet like mice. Shh.
Hello? Is anyone in the kitchen? I brought extra lollipops.
Dad, come quickly. A strange man is inside our house. He said he's coming. Everything will be okay.
Lily? Stay hidden. I am coming back inside right now.
Hold on, kids. Dad is coming to help you.
I am here. Where is this silly Candyman? Come out, wherever you are. Excuse me, what are you doing in my house?
Wah! I am never coming back to this house.
Dad, you saved us. You are our superhero.
Oh, my sweet babies! I was so worried. Are you two okay?
The door is locked. That silly bad man is gone for good.
I am so sorry. I just really wanted the blue candy. It's okay. You didn't mean to.
Henry, bad strangers use sweet things to make you forget the safety rules.
We love you very much. Your safety is more important than all the toys and candy in the world.
I promise I will never open the door for a stranger again. Never, ever. And I will always be here to remind you, because we are the best team.
Now, let's work together to clean up this big, colorful mess.
Sweep, sweep, sweep. Goodbye, bad candies.
Here is a real, healthy snack for my brave little helpers.
Listen to our story, kids. Rule number 1, never open the door when you are home alone. Rule number 2, do not take candy from people you do not know. It is a bad trick. Always listen to your parents and stay safe at home. Thank you for watching our adventure. See you next time. Bye-bye. I am so hungry. I will use this shiny metal to make the pizza hot. Martin, stop right now. Metal is very dangerous in the microwave. Oh no! The sparks are too big! Help! It is burning! This is a big fire! I must run and get Dad quickly.
I love this song.
Dad! Come quickly, please. Dad! Help us! There is a huge fire in the kitchen.
Oh my God, a fire? Stay behind me, Lily. It is dangerous. I am unplugging it. Get back, children. Do not breathe the smoke.
I am sorry, Dad. I was just very hungry.
Look at the microwave. Metal makes a dangerous fire. I know you're sad, but it's important to be careful. We must call the firefighters to check if the kitchen is safe.
Look, Martin. The red fire truck is here. Wow. Look at that thing. Wow. The lights are so bright. They're so cool.
Thank you for coming so fast, officer. Happy to help, sir. You are a brave boy. But you must learn a very important rule. Never cook alone. The kitchen is for adults only.
Ma! I told him it was a bad idea, Mr. Firefighter. I promise I will never touch the microwave again. Ha!
Here is a helmet for you for listening to safety rules.
Wow. I am a safety hero now. Ah!
Goodbye, everyone, P1. Have a safe and happy day.
Thanks, you too.
Well, the fire is gone, but the kitchen is very dirty. It is time to work together. Let's clean everything.
Spray, spray, spray. Scrub, spray, scrub. Wow. Look, we did it. Goodbye, bad metal paper. Never again. Yay!
The kitchen is perfect again.
Cleaning makes me very hungry, Dad.
Here is a safe and yummy snack for my helpers.
This is much better than burnt pizza. Rule number 2. The kitchen is dangerous. Do not cook without an adult. Listen to our story, kids. Never put metal inside the microwave.
Angli Tamarayan, Waihuo, Wartawe, Nyangor Paihomo.
Stay smart and stay safe at home. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.